Welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on a culinary journey that transcends borders and time. Have you ever wondered how your favorite dishes came to be? From the rustic streets of Naples to the vibrant markets of Tokyo, every bite tells a story. Join us as we uncover the history of some beloved dishes around the world and explore the rich tapestry of culture, tradition, and innovation that shaped them. Let us begin with perhaps one of the most iconic dishes of all time: pizza. 1. The history of pizza. Pizza, as we know it today, has its roots in Naples, Italy, during the late 18th century. But its origins can be traced even further back, to ancient civilizations who topped flatbreads with various ingredients. The Greeks, for instance, had a version called plakis, which was topped with herbs, onions, and garlic. In its modern form, pizza emerged in the bustling streets of Naples. It was a humble dish, often eaten by the working class. The margherita pizza, adorned with vibrant tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and fragrant basil, was named after Queen Margherita of Savoy in 1889. Legend has it that the Queen herself was served this dish by the renowned pizzaiolo, Raffaele Esposito, during her visit to the city. Today, pizza has evolved into countless variations, from the deep dish style of Chicago to the Neapolitan classic. Yet, it remains a symbol of communal dining and culinary creativity. 2. The journey of sushi. Next, let us travel to Japan, where we discover the delicate art of sushi. This dish, often associated with raw fish, has a history that is as complex as its flavors. Sushi's origins date back to the 8th century, during the Nara period, when a method called narazushi was developed. Fish was fermented with rice as a means of preservation. This practice later evolved, and by the Edo period in the 19th century, sushi transformed into the quick, fresh dish we know today, thanks to the bustling streets of Tokyo. The introduction of vinegared rice, or sherry, marked a significant turning point. Sushi became a fast food, enjoyed by the masses, and the craft of sushi making became an esteemed profession. Today, sushi has taken on many forms, from nigiri to maki rolls, each with its unique preparation and presentation. 3. The tale of tacos. Now, we head to Mexico to explore the beloved taco. While it might seem like a simple dish, the taco has deep historical roots that span centuries. Tacos have their origins in the indigenous peoples of Mesoamerica, particularly the Aztecs, who used corn tortillas to hold various fillings. The word taco is believed to have derived from the Spanish term to plug, as the tortilla plugs the fillings inside. As Mexican cuisine spread across borders, the taco adapted, taking on new flavors and styles, from the crispy shell of Tex-Mex to the traditional al pastor. Today, tacos are celebrated worldwide, embodying the spirit of culinary fusion and personal expression. As we've seen today, the history of our favorite dishes is a remarkable blend of culture, tradition, and innovation. Each dish carries a story, a legacy that connects us to our past and each other. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. We hope you've discovered something new about the dishes you love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious stories from around the world. Until next time, happy eating!